Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you on how to withdraw your money from yellow card. So as I'll show you an example in the morning. So let us get started. First, after you have signed up on yellow card and you want to withdraw your money, you just have to go to your web.yellowcard.io. So open this in Chrome. So as you can see, let me show you my history so that you can see. As you can see, I sold 1 USDT. I was given 2,000 naira when I use someone referral code. That's why I told you have to use my referral code. If you don't use my referral code, you will not get the bonus. So after you have used my referral code, so you can purchase USDT. But before you can withdraw, you have to purchase USDT or Bitcoin. So once you have purchased, you can sell it back. So once you have sell it, so you can now withdraw everything like that. So that's how to withdraw. So first, after you have gotten your 2,000 naira in your account, so you just have to go to this side. Go to this side and buy the. So go to this side. Go to wallet and buy USDT. You can buy USDT. So you click on buy USDT. So as you can see, as you got this 100 naira of my but I will not buy it because I want to withdraw this one. So let's assume you got 3K in your account now. So you have to click on how much USDT you want to buy. You can buy like 500 naira USDT or just buy 600 naira USDT. So 600 naira is the minimum. Yes. So 600 naira is the minimum. So after that, you click on review and confirm. Then they will tell you that you cannot purchase. So after that, can just go to your, can just click on back. So you have to give it some minutes before you can sell this USDT again. So give it some minutes, because if you try to sell it after you immediately purchase, so you will get an error. So you have to calm down first. After that, so once you have been waiting, you can just do what? Withdraw the remaining balance that you have in your account. So you can just click on withdraw here. After you click on wallet, click on withdraw. So click on peer-to-peer group. Click on it. If you don't have bank before, you have to add your bank here. So you just click on your bank account if you don't have before. So once you have added your bank, so this is my own bank. So just click on the bank, then type the amount you want to withdraw, which is the remaining amount I have in my account. So click on review and confirm, then put your pin here. This pin is the one that you create once you add your bank account. So you'll be told to create pin. You just 4 digits. So once you have typed it, just click on withdraw your money. Then you have to wait for the approval. So just click on understand. So as you can see, I got only 2 naira in my account now. So this is my withdraw section with the withdraw transaction stuff. So let us wait for the message to come in. So this is the one that I did this morning. As you can see, I created my account yesterday. Then I purchased 1 USDT today. I withdrew 1,000 naira and I also sold that USDT. And I'm withdrawing the money now. So I'm withdrawing the money now. So we can wait for the message to pop up. It will take time. So let us wait for the message to pop up. I'll pause this video now. Okay, seems we've already got message. As you can see, the money has not been added to my bank account. So before I got like 900 naira. So once you withdraw, they will deduct 100 naira for transaction. So as you can see, I withdraw 600 naira at that time, just now, and I was given only 500 naira because they will deduct 100 naira for transaction. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.